Welcome to Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. Here's a look at one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with off-road suspension package, clean Carfax, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, four-wheel drive, keyless entry, alloy wheels, steering wheel controls, electronic stability control, rear seat center armrest, air conditioning, and much more. Since 1966, our family-owned dealership has helped drivers from across the region find the perfect vehicle. Here the customer is always number one. We go above and beyond to provide every person with an exceptional shopping experience. In fact, it's our outstanding customer satisfaction, facility, processes, and training requirements that have earned us multiple awards. So come visit us at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore today.